enjoying the camera. I don't want to lie to you. It's just the best thing I've done with my money and buying the house, I guess, because it's a home for no jabul. But I'm loving this camera. It is so easy to use. It is so I'm still learning how to edit, and it's so easy to use. And it's so small. It's very discreet. I can do my things, especially at the gym, because the guys, they just stare at you like at how you're taking my videos. So I'm gonna be a vlogger after here. 2026. Like a vlog every week. I promise y'all. Okay, the editing is still a nightmare, but I'm getting there. And the one thing that still confuses me is the copyright music. Oh, why YouTube really hard so? Like, why is YouTube like why does it have to be this difficult? But I'm getting there. So let's quickly make some breakfast. Since I bought the camera, I didn't buy groceries, so there's limited food, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. I love the lighting, yellow pan. Can you see? It's natural light. Then in the kitchen, okay, maybe because the blinds are still closed, but we also have what's this? Okay, it's also nice light, but I'm gonna be still shopping around for the big lights that Amanda photographers use, because I am buying another ring light. Those things, they break every 2 weeks, so I'm not wasting my money. Yeah, so I'm still looking for a light that will work for me and my content, since I am more into the kitchen, but gonna be also out lifestyle, everything, and just wonky guys. I'm just gonna be an all-rounder, just gonna do everything, because I want to grow this channel and I need to attract more subscribers, so I need to this is again. Yeah, so let me just see. I don't even think we've got braid. That's how hard it is. Yeah, there's 2 slices of bread, and I am not filling. There should be bread. Eggs. Let me quickly just do 2 eggs, the toast, and some Revive, little latte, like some kind of hot chocolate. Call it a day. So today I'm gonna go do my hair. Need to go braid, because next week, is it Sunday? Next week Sunday I'm driving down to Durban for the cruise, because we boarding on the 15th of December and coming back 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, coming back on the 19th. So yeah, next weekend I won't have time to do hair, so I just need to go and do my hair. As it's like, oh, it's about home. As it's like, guys, I'm gonna try and use that Johnson thingy, Leo, the detangling one. The abantu one. Just try to comb, because afro man, and I can't even use chemicals in my hair because I get sores. Like, I have a very sensitive scalp, so nje guys. But yeah, let me quickly try to make some food. I've got 2 unboxing to do. One, it's guys, inkinga zami zilokuziyanda. I need a coffee machine now. So one, it's the Law Espresso Advent Calendar. And I don't have a coffee machine, so I need to do the unboxing of this. So now means I need to buy a coffee machine. So yeah, I've got that, and I've got the Revive unboxing. So I'm gonna quickly do those tomorrow or later when my video comes, so that for the video, because look at me right now, no nails. Ikhanda ngathi angisebenzi. So yeah, let me quickly just do food. Ngihambe ngikwenza inwele, then I think this will be part of the vlog for this. It's an upload for this week. So yeah, see ya. And your lighting is so good.
We did the studio because we needed the light to be perfect. For pictures, any angle,
Oh, for marketing.
Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense. Okay, that's fine. Will it work ngale happy? Izosebenza ngale happy. Phela ngumama we 2000, so bayangifaka. I am. No, Dina, lawa makels lawa yana shem. I think I've been my 2 days. 2 days. After that, I had routine in the ban. No. With me.
So ngiphosa
Yeah. Nah, yeah, record already.
Oh.
Winter's on and it's cold. It's similar to a camera in a phone, but it's just.
Is it?
Yeah, maybe. I must stop eating. Leanna being on 7. Maybe after 5 years. After 5 years. No, I don't think that we need. 128. 128, Nale. No, but I wanted the 512. The 512 was 2,000 rand. Space is more. It's not a fast. This is an Ultra Pro, yes. The speed. Yeah. So there they use it on drones and cameras. Leo, it's fine for a phone. YouTube, Joe. A camera. So instead of buying the normal camera, yeah. It's funny, man, guys. Yo, everywhere. How much?
Are you talking about the head?
Yeah.
This one is 900. Yeah.
Nina badala wengabaphatheli amavaseline. What do you mean angithi nabusisa badala. Jabulo uzongimoshela into yami. Icamera yami. Ngesandla sakho. Dali ngibonile shemihla kanipheka bile. Yayibona ukuthi irobot.
Wabonile ama-robot
Lawa se-China lethi lani ukuthi ungabi nomona. Ungabi nomona. Nonjabulo guys is jealous of my life. She's jealous of me. Angithi uyayenza la. La. Iself. Ibona phela so that you'll see mawushoot. Phela usazongithatha i-content strong kabi.
Mama uthe uzofuna umuntu escape.
Then ngikusaphi? Ingcono ngizihambele ngiyi-one.
Also mina ngihambisa camera.
Yes.
Wow.
Awazi wena ama-celebrity ukuthi ahamba nama-camera.
Oh wow.
Ahamba nama-cameraman wabo.
So angihambisi because I'm your child.
Excuse me, kunini ngikuhambisa because you're my child? Does it benefit me?
Yes,
No.
it does.
I'm trying to be a lady, but I'm scared to do these ones. So fake mascara la. Mali ya mengaga. No ngafihla. Sile wena. Ngokwenza famous.
Angifuni
Mama
famous.
Bafile bona njalo. Usile after spending all my money uyazifihla. No, ngiphuwa la. In trouble. Angazi ngoba mele senze ilona yeshini kusasa yamapijama angimazi uyifihlani lela.
Ngiyayenza vela ama-pijama.
Hello Christmas. Oh, this is so beautiful. Uyavuma la makafuna impahla. Namapijama. Ngenza ikhanda sha. Ngeke vele ubuso bakho. Ngizotheka udayina la ngithi ba-check it-glam inspiration kumele athola ama-custom. Vele isithekile nkosi yami. Sona. Uzolona.
Yeah, somehow.
Dala shem uvelile khohle. Hayi ini. Why vele ungafuni?
I would like to keep my life private.
Yeah, your life is still private. Oh, it's just those special occasions.
No, ngisho abantu aba-famous yama-camera hamba nabo everywhere.
Isikhongo-ke naso bese siphuma sonke. I'm a girl. Should have my lash, guys, but I'm scared for those.
Saving some considerable city blushes there. When you listen to Pat sometimes in his press conferences under the fight game, but I think he's believed in that. Shein. We've got to just away from Haaland and arm defending from Trey Hume.
Akafuni vlog in public. And what's the point of being a YouTuber if I'm not gonna vlog? Anywho, I am going to go chicken licking just to grab something. So we've been out the entire day to do our hair and slambili. So we're just gonna have some chicken licking, then go home. I got it. Ngiyaphilang cala a hot wing snack A3, A1 kube ye roll bese A2 kube ama chips.
2 chips, 1 roll.
Yeah.
Chili sauces.
Sorry?
Chili sauces, 2 slices of toast.
Mali ni bhodlela lendle.
27.
Ngicela ul-add na. Thank you. This is the best chicken licking by head office. It's by Poisons. It's by Poisons. Look at this. I'm still learning this camera, guys. It's by Poisons. I feel they don't rob anything because it's head office. They have alas. Let's go home, guys. I'm tired. Like, it's been a long day. And tell me why I body clock yam ingvusing of 5. Because I was up at 5 o'clock. Like, why? Why was I up at 5 o'clock? Tell me. Because manje ngikhathele. It's been the longest day ever. And this child of mine doesn't want to take videos, Nami. She doesn't want to be famous. But okay. Who knows? Maybe I'll have another child. Maybe I'll have another child. Oh, guys, I'm gonna try to do this vlog again so that I can, before you to dinner, make sure to get my vlogs and upload it so that I'm being empty. You create new memories. Fuck.
Hey, you had a thing.
Yeah, well, I hear the place looks great.
Oh, forget about it. I'm having a ball. How's the apartment doing?
Oh, hey, it's terrific. I mean, it's a regular space.
Fast?
Look, that's it. It's over. I want you out. I want you out of the apartment now. What are you talking about? Hannibal Lecter? Better roommate than you. No. See, now I don't think you're being fair. I mean, one night you see me and you get scared. I mean, well, what about all the other nights when you don't see me, huh? What about last night when you went and got a drink of water and I was nice enough to hide behind the door? What's that about, huh? I didn't realize that. Get out now. Okay. You really want me out? Yes, please. Okay, then I want to hear you say it. I want to hear you say, you want me out. I want you out. Now, I want to hear it from your lips. Where did you hear it from before? All right. You know what, Pally? I understand. Consider me gone. You know what? I'll be out by the time you get home.
Hey guys, finally back from the longest day of my life. So I just want to take a quick shower because I want to go to bed. Like the quickest shower, guys. Yo, I need a ring light for this camera. Like it's been the longest day, but again, what can we say? Like I feel like a girl. Like doing some nails, guys. I think it's almost 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. Like they feel so strange, but I'm loving my hands. I'm loving my hands. So there's this lady that does skincare content on Instagram. She said if you are washing your face, you should at least wash it for a minute. Don't just put on your face wash then you rinse. Like try to rub it in for about a minute before you can actually rinse your face. So that's what I'm trying to do. Oh, as in, like I can't do this. Like I want to rest, and recording takes time. So guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. So these are the pajama sets from Shein. Look at the pants, guys, at the top. I'm so excited. I'm gonna sleep here tonight. Look at the top, guys. I'm in love. This is another piece. So this one is a 5-piece. It has pants, top, down, in shorts, and a nightie. One of those ones where I'm having the best time with this shoot. So this is a pajama set from Shein. I've been doing the whole. I'm really enjoying it, and I think let me put on my mask. I think not think, but I think not think actually. The creative juices, guys, they just flew, because this is not my kind of it's not my kind of content that I normally create. So I really had fun with this one. Even though I had to do everything on my own, run to the tripod, click, and come back, pose, take a video, take stills. Like, it was, but I really enjoyed it. Like, I really enjoyed it. So now we've got one more set, Christmas pajamas. I got the Harry Potter ones. Nonjabulo hates them. She doesn't want to do it with me, and it's Mechi outfits. Like, tell me, why is this child doing this to me? As in, like, tell me, why is she doing this to me? She doesn't want to take content with me, so I'm gonna force her, because I need to put this thing together and post it. It's a must. So yeah. So let me quickly change into the last set. Then we're gonna take a video with Nonjabulo, and yeah, that's it for today. Oh no. Okay, no, it didn't. This reminds me of that scene. That scene, kind of, what's that? Like a Tyler Perry, man, where the guy was saying, you look like a lamp, like you're glowing. Oh, I forgot the name. Why Did I Get Married? I think. Yeah, where Mike was being snacks, gushila. Yeah, like the glowy. Let me just come closer to the, you see, the glowy. Oh, you guys, I had so much fun with this one. Let me just quickly change and do the last set. Then I need to go to the kitchen and do my content because I've got 2 meals to prepare, one for email prep and one for what we're gonna eat today. So yeah. Oh, as no ube, like, my skin is glowing. Like, you know, man. No, yeah, Kumula. Isikhathi yahamba. What's so wrong? Go check ngalo ukuthi ngivela ukumzimba. Lana ngiveli wonke. Yeah? Lapho ngivela wonke. Wait. Kana ungabhambi kakhulu ngivela umzimba. Nami ngingabhamba ngizobhamba. Ngizobhambela ukuthi angibhambi. Oh, so that's a renewal of vows. Stand up. Stand up. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, so. Hey, you said, I banned love. So, yeah, right, it's a move. Bega la pair. You didn't hear them. Yeah, right. Check it here in for me. Yeah, was a little man, it doesn't take 5 minutes. Wait, manje irekhoda kuphi? Iyarekhoda.
Manje ngirekhoda ngigibela imbele.
Ngiyabula ngithi ngizo-editha. Hawu. Ela! Awubona nje uthembambe mama. Njengoba uzongiphulela umbhede.
Mama, mina
Yenza so. Hawu.
Ngiyafana. Yeah, mama, that's okay now.
Ngiphele yana ngibona. Ifoni.
Yeah, mama, let's see. Pam.
Oh.
Ifoni.
Yeah. Yenza lapho sendle. Ngizongiklikhe lapha kule nto e-orange.
I see it.
You want it if I hate you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel. So what you wanna run slow? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real. Really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same, okay? But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you didn't handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent ways. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That mean no permission. No missionary getting boring. Can you switch positions? I wanna say your song, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been up, baby. Every reminiscing. Every other missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been up, baby. No, I've seen the lion first. No, I've seen no finding us. I've been up, baby. God bless me. And if you wonder if I hate you, I think I'm insane.
Oh, come on. Oh my god, why is it so hard to come out? And let's see which color is number 2. I honestly get why people are so crazy about their advent calendars, because tell me, why is it so nice to open and see what's there? Okay, for this one, it's actually quite simple. You know what's in there. It's the It's all the coffees, but for a different calendar where they have it's this, like maybe a makeup brand, maybe number 1 there's a mascara, number 2 there's a gloss, number 3 an eyeliner. No, it is so nice to open these. Let's see what colors under 7. It's a green. Because of this now, I need to get myself a coffee maker, because wow. So these are the capsules for the low espresso. There's 24 in them.
amajidantata ngisondeze eduze anginakekela ngithanda ngihlonipha abonene insizwa mababebona mina